Jade plants are evergreen succulent with round or heart-shaped leaves. In Feng Shui, this plant is considered a good luck symbol and activates financial luck since the leaves are coin-shaped. This plant is ideal for a gift for business, birthday, weddings, anniversaries, and other occasions. There are few key places where to put your jade plant. The optimum direction is southeast since this is the wealth sector. Where to place jade plants in Feng Shui. Number 1, you can put your jade plant next to your register. It is believed that this can increase business wealth. Number 2, you can place jade plant at the entrance of your shop or other business establishment. This will ensure a successful business and encourage continued growth. Number 3, the dining room table is a good location for jade plant, especially when reflect in a mirror for double abundance. Number 4, jade plant set in a home office, either in southeast corner of your desk, is very auspicious. Inside your home, place it in southeast sector, but try to avoid placing it in your bedroom since plants emit too much yang energy. Number 6, if your health needs a boost, a healthy jade plant to occupy east sector of your home. Number 7, avoid jade plant in the bathroom since it's a wealth symbol and you don't want your wealth being flushed away with wastewater. Number 8, a jade plant can be set in the foyer area of your home just inside the front door. Number 9, you can set a potted jade plant outside beside your front door. This video is in collaboration with Victoria Lemardel. Please check her video about jade plants. See you then. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification.
Do you want to know?
See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?